Hello, I'm Rhino, and today I'm going to show you a vehicle. It's a 2019 Chevy Equinox. So you don't have to take that huge hit when you buy it brand new. Instead, come to us and get something that's a little bit used. A lot less expensive for you. White in color, Chevy Equinox 2019. Very nice and stylish. Very clean, obviously. You have your automatic lift gate in the back with lots of room in the back also, and your second row, nice interior. On this one you have your power locks, windows, cruise control, tilt wheel, power seat on the driver's side with your cloth interior, all your steering wheel controls, AC, tinted windows, a keyless entry button on every door. You don't find that a lot on vehicles, which is really nice. So if you have any questions about this 2019 Chevy Equinox with only 7,005 miles on it, please give us a call at 808-334-1111 and ask for Rhino. I'll be glad to help you out. Thank you very much.